If your stomach is aching and begging for relief, have you ever considered yoga as an instant relief to your problems versus the antacids or various painkillers that you take? हेलो पीपल, वेलकम टू फिट तक विद मी गरिमा भंडारी। और इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे कि योगा का एक इजी आसान आसना, स्पेशली अगर आपके पेट में दर्द हो रहा हो तो आप कैसे इस आसना की प्रैक्टिस से उससे इमीडिएट रिलीफ पा सकते हैं। अब हम करेंगे पवन मुक्ता आसना। पवन मुक्त आसना यानी कि विंड रिलीफ पोज। एज द नेम सजेस्ट, इट इज एक्सीलेंट therapeutic posture for your entire stomach, abdominals, digestive glands, and not just this, because this asana comes with multiple health benefits. इसकी प्रैक्टिस से आपकी जो entire spine है उसकी flexibility बढ़ती है, strength बढ़ती है। At the same time जो लोग भी weight loss को achieve करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं and can't practice heavy postures और go to the gym, उनके लिए भी ये excellent है। किसी भी तरह की गैस, ब्लोटिंग, कॉन्स्टिपेशन की प्रॉब्लम को तो ये दूर करता ही है। साथ ही साथ अगर आपको अल्सर्स की प्रॉब्लम है स्टमक में, उसको रिलीव करता है। एंड इफ प्रैक्टिस्ड एवरी डे, इट ऑल्सो हेल्प्स कंट्रोल योर डायबिटीज एंड ऑल्सो calms down your brain, because of which your focus and concentration is also much better. Pavan Mukta Asana or the wind release pose is actually a supine or a lying down posture and can be practiced anytime, anywhere. When I say anywhere, that means you can practice roll out your mat or also on your bed. So first up, we're going to lie down straight on our back like this, keeping our back tucked to the floor like this, and then from here we are going to bend our knees like this, and we're going to hug our knees by wrapping our arms together like this. And now from here we have to raise our upper back and bring our forehead towards our knees. So let's see how we do it. Now this is the full expression of Pavan Mukta Asana or the wind release pose, and you can see that because I'm bracing my knees like this and raising my upper back, so there is a definite tension in my entire abdominals. साथ ही साथ spine is getting a full curve, because of which the strength of the spine and flexibility also increases. And also people who have long sitting hours, this is an excellent posture for them because it also aids in removing the lower back pain from your body. Try to stay here for 4 to 5 breaths. Long, strong inhalation and exhalation. And to exit from the posture, let go of your hands, let go of the legs, and turn towards your left hand side before you return back to your center. So this was Pavan Mukta Asana. Multiple benefits of this asana, and सबसे important ये है कि अगर आपको stomach में pain है तो instantly अगर आप इसकी practice करें, so you can use this as a tool to remove your stomach pain instead of switching on to medicines. And to watch more such amazing restorative, therapeutic and curative yoga postures, yoga asanas with me, Garima Bhandari, subscribe to Fit Tak today guys on YouTube, like and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Happy practicing and keep watching this space for more.